Hello everyone! In this video, we will see how to import local files to Spotify on iPhone. So let's get into it. First of all, let's navigate to the Spotify app on your iPhone and tap to open it. Once the app opens up, from the bottom menu, let's go to the library. Here you can see the local files option is not available. We cannot import local files until this option is available. So what you need to do is from the left top, open Profile, and then go to the Settings and Privacy. Scroll down the page till the end to find the local file option and tap to open it. If you want to import audio files from your iPhone, then tap to enable this option. Tap on Allow Spotify to access music and audio on this device. Now let's go back to the home page and open your library from the bottom menu, and there you are. Once you tap on the Local Files option, it will open your phone's audio files library. You can choose any music that you want to add. And that's it. This is how you can import local files to Spotify on iPhone. I hope this video is helpful for you. For more videos, please subscribe to our YouTube channel, and thank you for watching.